Fuck yeah. That was awesome. Dude, right to the fucking decoys.
Wrecked him.
I can stand up now. Oh my goodness.
That was so perfect.
That was awesome.
Perfect. Oh yeah. Congrats, man.
Good shot, bud.
Oh, I'm shaking like a leaf too.
Me too. Let's go see your bird.
Aidyn, what happened?
What did you do?
Smoking.
Come right to the decoys.
Flew down from across the creek right over there. Came and landed 5 yards from our decoys. Aidyn wrecked him.
I'm shaking like a leaf right now. I didn't do nothing.
When I saw it turn to me, I was shaking so bad. I was like, when do I shoot it? When do I shoot it?
He was drumming in the decoys
Yeah,
and
it was
just
sweet.
came in. Popped in full strut right away.
Heck yeah, buddy. What do you think about that?
Built a little blind yesterday. Knew he was roosting right over here. Couldn't have worked out any better.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Will you put your gun down and grab hold?
Yeah, let's take a look at him.
Got some hooks on him.
Yeah, he does.
A heavy bird too.
Yeah, he is. It's a big bird.
Spinning in time, keeping the beat, taking me places I've never been. The radio is playing our song. I think of you while I sing along, but you're going places I've never been. Frozen in place I never wanted. I
Look
never
at that. It's Dad's birthday today.
Really?
Yeah.
wasn't right. Meant to be
I have two. I didn't even do nothing.
we could write songs in Montana.
Can't get the tag off of here.
Stars, singing songs that passed us.
How you took any time?
I know.
That couldn't have been a better
That
setup.
was quick.
Sky in
Yeah.
Montana.
Wrap around his leg.
Doesn't matter which one?
Nope.
Above this bird or below?
Either above it.
Just like this?
And just wrap it around there.
Do I have to do it the other side so you can stand that?
Don't matter. Just wrap it. I'll just wrap it up like you're rolling up a taco or something.
Sky, taking on shapes as they fly up to the places.
He must be here by himself. I didn't hear any hens. Nothing.
There was nothing. I was surprised because there was 2 here yesterday morning.
Passing by, each one made
That was absolutely like,
the places
that was like textbook. Sounds like the stuff you see on TV.
After we took the bed last night, I didn't know if I had confidence, but before I was done, I was sure we were getting birds, but I don't know. And then as soon as I heard that gobble,
Yeah, he was closer than I thought he was going to be.
Yeah, he was fired up a lot more than he was the other mornings.
As soon as I got back to the tree, hammered, I was like, oh, he's close. I could hear him drumming. And I was like,
Yeah, he was drumming up in the tree right away.
I think I'm shaking from the cold and
Looking at the stars, singing songs to pass the time. Underneath the big sky in Montana. Meant to be together, shouldn't matter where we are. We could write songs in Montana. Looking at the stars,
so fired up.
singing songs to pass the time. Underneath the big sky in Montana.
How's it going, everybody? I'm here with Aiden. We're going to talk about his turkey hunt we had this spring. Just kind of what went into play the day before and how everything went down. So, Aiden, what was one of the key things we did the day before that helped us kill this bird?
well, we made that blind. That really helped. We,
Took a couple hours brushing it in and stuff. It was pretty crazy. Out all natural sticks and stuff.
yeah, we scouted a little bit more. Made sure the bird was there.
Right? So, yeah, the day before opening morning we went out and I thought I knew where he was, but he must have moved on the roost, so made sure he was in the correct tree, so it was a lot easier to get on him that Sunday morning. So,
Yeah.
but how did it all go down? What happened? We
He,
got in a lot closer than I thought we were going to, didn't we?
yeah. Didn't take very long.
He was
He,
about, what, 60 yards away from us in the tree, probably?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Flew right to the
Yeah, he
decoys.
dropped right in.
So,
And you turned him into a jellyhead.
yeah, smoked him.
How was it? Would you do it again?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was really
Fun.
fun.